Here we have a 2018 BMW 330e M Sport Shadow Edition. Now this vehicle comes with 19-inch alloy wheels, all in excellent condition. We also have the blue M Sport brake calipers just behind. We have the M Performance kit, the white exterior paintwork, LED daytime running headlights. We have the gloss black front kidney grills. Coming around to the passenger side, you'll find the second alloy wheel, again excellent condition. Colour-coded door handles, we have the black door mirrors, black trim around the windows, with the privacy glass for the rear passengers. Up top you'll find the shark fin antennae. We also have front and rear parking sensors with the park assist, a reversing camera as well. Around to the rear you'll find the twin pipe exhaust, we have the rear diffuser. And this vehicle is free from any major marks, dents or scratches. So if we take a look now at the interior, coming into the back first, you'll find the full red leather interior, as you can see just there. We have the foldable armrest in the centre, the fixed ISO points just down there. We also have the vents for the rear passengers, along with a 12-volt connectivity. Storage nets behind the front seats, we have the integrated speakers, electric windows on the doors as well. Coming into the front, you'll find the same full leather interior. However, both of these front seats are heated, and there is a look at them. On the doors we have the premium Harman Kardon sound system just there, electric windows, we'll try that for the rear, electric mirrors as well. Just here you'll find the auto lights, we also have the auto wipers, multifunctional steering wheel with paddle shifters either side, we have the speed limiter and cruise control. There is a look at the dashboard and the main infotainment screen in the centre, which has the lights of the sat-nav. We also have the DAB radio, we have all of the different drive modes and much more. But that's all that I'm going to show you guys today. Once this vehicle gets a full valid, we'll do a more in-depth video. If you'd like to find out more, please check out the website. Thank you for watching.